Hello and welcome to all. My name's Adam Pickering and I'm Vice Principal at Colchester Academy. This presentation is to go through the home testing kits that students will be using after the 16th of March.
The procedure is as follows. In-school tests will be completed by the 15th of March. This means that as of the 16th of March, home testing kits are to be used, and these are the testing kits that we will send home with the children on Friday and Monday. Year 8 to 11 respectively on Friday, Year 7 on Monday. The initial supply is of 2 boxes, each with 3 tests in. These tests are to be used twice a week by your child from the 16th of March. They cover the week beginning the 15th of March, they cover the week beginning the 22nd of March, and they cover the first week back after the Easter break, the week beginning the 12th of April. Should we continue with this scheme, the government are supplying each school with the tests that are needed. So we will then send them out as and when we receive them, and we will update you with information.
Okay, when you receive your home testing kit, you will receive 2 boxes as already mentioned. Each box will include the following. It will have 3 testing cartridges in it. It will have 3 swabs. It will have 3 plastic vials of solution which you'll have to snap out of the plastic casing. It'll have 3 mini plastic tubes where you mix your swab and your vial after you've put your swab in your mouth, and it'll have 3 bags for disposal. When your testing kits arrive home on Friday afternoon, you'll get 2 boxes that look like this. Inside each box, you'll find the instruments and resources I've already mentioned. For example, you will find the 3 swabs, you'll find the 3 testing tubes, you'll find in this package the 3 vials of mixing solution, you'll find 3 cartridges to drop your mixing solution in. You can see I've opened one here, and you will find 3 bags for disposal of all goods at the end. You'll notice from the cartridge there are some key information on the cartridge. Number 1 is a QR code. This will take you to the site to register your test. At the end, I've given the websites where you need to go with this. Additionally, you'll need this number here. This is the number you will have to enter into the systems to say that you have logged your test. So you need to keep hold of that information. It's very important. As already mentioned, you'll need to log your results each time you take a test. So twice a week you will take a test, and each time you take that test you need to log those results in 2 places. Firstly, you need to go to the government portal, which is this website here, and on that website you'll need to log the result that is on your COVID cartridge. You will then also, in line with the government guidance, need to report this to school. Now the school is using this system, which is at www.testregister.co.uk. Now for the in-school registering, you will need the email address that this correspondence has been sent to you on. So this is the email address. Via group call, we send out our information to you. Now to help you with the login of the results on the testregister.co.uk, you need to follow these simple steps. Firstly, you need to go to a website tab and enter the email address. And then you click in Login, which is this orange tab up here. It will then take you to this screen and you enter where I've put here your work email address. This will be the email address that you use for correspondence with the school. So when I mentioned earlier, the email address that comes through to you when you get all group call information or information about your children, that's the email address you use. Once you've logged in, this page will appear with a paper aeroplane, and it's asking you to check your inbox. So you need to go to your email account, because that is where they will have emailed you a link to log your test result. You should then have an email in your account, something similar to the one that I've got here, and it should be asking you to log in to your account. So if you can see this kind of blue tab here, if you click on that, that will take you to a screen where you can then put in all the information to log into the results for your child. The link email would take you directly to the page of your child. Here you need to simply enter the date, so the date that you completed the test. You need to then enter the ID strip on the cartridge. So we mentioned this on an earlier slide. It's that ID number on the cartridge that you put in here. and then you enter the result. So whether the test says it's negative, positive, or void. If the test is positive, we would ask you to contact the school immediately and please ring in. Other than that, the system takes care of it and logs all of that information. Finally, I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of our community, all parents, all students, for your support over the past few months. Hopefully we are at the end now of these lockdown procedures, and hopefully some of these procedures that we're doing will only last a few weeks. If, as ever, you have any questions or queries, please do not hesitate in contacting the school. We can assist in any way, manner, or support in any questions that you may raise. Again, thank you to everybody.